Hello, everyone, and welcome back to DD Engvids. Today, we are delving into the world of grammar to explore some common mistakes associated with collective nouns. Now, why does this matter? Well, using collective nouns correctly is crucial for clear and effective communication. So, let's jump right in. First things first, what exactly are collective nouns? Simply put, they are words that represent groups of people, animals, or things. Examples include team, family, or herd. But here's the catch, collective nouns can be singular or plural, depending on the context. Our first common mistake involves incorrect verb agreement. Sometimes, it's easy to forget whether a collective noun should be treated as singular or plural. Let's take a look at an example. Imagine saying, the team are winning. Did you catch the mistake? Team is a collective noun, and in this case, it should be treated as singular. So, the correct sentence would be, the team is winning. Next up, we have the misuse of pronouns with collective nouns. Pronouns need to agree with the number of the noun they replace. Let's dive into an example. Consider this sentence, the jury has reached their decision. The collective noun jury is singular, so the correct pronoun should be its, making the sentence, the jury has reached its decision. Our third mistake involves ambiguous reference, a pitfall that can lead to confusion. Let's see how this can happen. Picture this, the audience applauded, and they were ecstatic. Who exactly is they referring to? To avoid ambiguity, we should specify, the audience applauded, and the members were ecstatic. Consistency is key when it comes to collective nouns. Mixing singular and plural forms can create confusion. Let's explore an example. Suppose you say, the committee is divided in their opinions. For consistency, it should be, the committee is divided in its opinions. To wrap things up, here are some quick tips to remember when using collective nouns. Always be mindful of verb agreement, choose pronouns carefully, avoid ambiguous references, and maintain consistency in your usage. And there you have it, some common mistakes with collective nouns. Using them correctly enhances the clarity of your communication. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for joining us on DD Engvids, and we'll see you in the next video.